Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to access Credit Karma Spend account. If you want to access your Credit Karma Money Spend account online, then here is how you can do it. The first thing to do is to open a web browser and then type in creditkarma.com in the URL box. Or you can also download and open up the Credit Karma application from your mobile devices. Once you get to the main homepage of Credit Karma, click the login button at the top right corner and then sign into your account by entering your account's email and password. After typing in your credentials correct, click login to log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the money section within your Credit Karma account and look for the spend account to view your balance and manage transactions. After you do that, you can check your Credit Karma Money Spend account balance anytime through the Credit Karma website or the mobile app. So that's how you can easily access Credit Karma Spend account online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from ours. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.